If you've inherited a house in Ontario, you're probably dealing with more than just a property. There's paperwork, family decisions, and often a lot of stress around what to do next. Hi, I'm Sebastian from Ontario Property Buyers, and we've helped lots of families across Ontario navigate inherited properties, especially when things aren't straightforward. Inherited properties often come with challenges. The home may need repairs, multiple family members are involved, and sometimes the people inheriting the property don't even live in Canada. All of that can make a traditional sale feel very overwhelming. We've worked with situations like this in real life. For example, we helped Michelle and her family who inherited their uncle's property in Mississauga. There were 8 siblings involved, and all of them were living in the United States. Coordinating repairs, showings, and a traditional listing from another country just wasn't realistic. Selling the property as is allowed the family to settle the estate, avoid delays, and move forward without adding any more stress. In situations like this, sellers usually have a few options. If the property is in good condition and everyone agrees, and timing isn't an issue, listing might make sense. But when distance, repairs, multiple decision makers are involved, selling to it as is to a cash buyer can simplify the process significantly. The most important thing is to not feel rushed. A good buyer should explain the process clearly, give you time, and understand that inherited properties do come with additional emotional weight. If you've inherited a property in Ontario and just want to understand your options, you can reach out to Ontario Property Buyers. We're happy to talk things through, even if you're still trying to figure out what to do next.